things will always not go your way. There will be times where things will be difficult. There'll be times when you wanted things to be a certain way and they don't go that way. But I think through the years, I think the one thing that I've learned is to be patient and to really believe in yourself. I mean, you can have, amazing people around you telling you different things. Some people really believe in your vision and some people won't. Some people will also discourage you and say, you know what, are you sure you want to do this? Are you sure you want to wait? Are you, why don't you try something else or do something else? I think it's important to be, at least I fortunately had a lot of clarity about what I wanted to do with my life and for myself, and I don't give up easily. The minute you tell me that I can't do something, I work that much harder to prove, not to people but to myself, that I can do it. It can be anything.